All right, so now we're ready to save our song. So in order to do that, there's a little folder icon here. We're just going to tap on it like this. Okay, so here is the part that's important in order to export. We just recorded. We want to make sure that's what's picked. So that's record 2 tracks. And we're going to hit the edit button right there. So let's hit edit. Okay, from edit, it's going to ask you to pick what you want to export. So we're going to do that one. Again, that's going to light up these 2 icons here. We want this one here, so let's tap on that. It's exporting the audio. All right, so now it's encoding the audio. Now it's saved where you want to save it to. So I'm just going to save it to my files. Okay, it's going to be named record 2 tracks. That's fine. It'll be saved to my downloads. And that's pretty much it. Now you're ready to listen to your song.